Okay, go up here. I want to see.
Let me see if I can eat the grass. You think it's
See
just
if
like
it-
sheep or like this tall grass?
Try it like
I
try it like sheep first.
Alright, let me get an empty hand. Punch it.
Yes!
Ah! Yes!
Like sheep. Yes. Funshine became a sheep. No, you can just eat grass anyway. How much hunger did it give you?
Half a bar. So I think it just keeps you full. Because
Yeah,
as
but
soon
you
as
can just keep wandering around.
yeah, as soon as I went out on the ice, I lost my health, and then I came back. Oh, that was awesome.
Success. Now then, welcome back to Utopia³ in the Sunshine Genetics Lab. Where last episode we failed to become superhuman and be able to fly. But in the meantime, we have now learnt the ability to eat grass.
Yes, I can eat grass. It had some side effects on me. Oh, never mind. I was going to turn into a... That didn't work. Here, turn into a mushroom.
Sheep. So now when... that's a mushroom.
Yep, I don't have a sheep. I haven't killed a sheep. That was totally fail.
Okay, take two. Now then. So what we didn't figure out last time that we had to figure out after the episode finished was that we have to put through the centrifuge a second time after we've added the gene. So I'm going to put the fly through again.
Too bad.
You're just doing the eat grass again.
No, that's just a new blood one. Oh,
Okay.
wait, it is eat grass. Oh, you can just fill it up again. Awesome.
Oh, so now I
Now you can eat grass.
both eat grass. So this is eat grass. While eat grass is being injected, I'm going to put fly in there. Right, so eat grass. Doink. Oh, nausea. I get a little bit of nausea. That's all. That's not too
you
bad.
might want to sit down to get used to the effects.
That's not too bad. And then nothing.
Yeah.
Okay. And if I take blood from the syringe, right?
Yep. It's eat grass again.
It's grass again. Oh wow! So we can now sell eat grass serums to people.
Nice.
And I said sheep would have no use. Well, that's good. So
Let's
if
fly.
we get more than one, do we then fill with more than one? Oh, let's do that.
Yeah.
So we've got fly syringe here. Okay. I'm wondering what adverse effects this is. I'm gonna. I would say I was going to go and eat some grass, but we haven't got any up here. I'm just going to have a quick munch on a pork chop to steady my nerves here. Just. We've been doing a bit of running around in the meantime. Okay, so now, fly.
Oh, come over here to the cliff.
Yeah. Oh. Just more noise here. That's not too bad. And once it's... Oh, that's real bad when you're walking. Ugh. And before I jump off a cliff, I'm going to fill it back up again. Get blind. Okay, and yes, we've got fly, but nothing else. So the syringe seems to keep track of.
Yeah.
Unless
So,
I've lost eat grass. Okay,
oh, so
so...
you only have one effect at a time. I don't know.
It might be one effect.
Do you need a reason to jump off the cliff?
No. I'm just figuring out whether... How do I fly? Oh, no! Ah! I can't fly! I'm not flying! I'm not... What's the fly button? Give me a go! Oh, okay, I died. There must be some form of key to press to
Okay.
start flight.
Huh.
Let's have a look in the options and the controls. We'll try that again, shall we? Oh, we're not going to fail this episode at all. There's so many controls in this menu. Oh, here we go. Got teleport, shoot fireballs, blow yourself up, shoot fireballs, throw potions, and that's it. So, wow. There's no fly. There's no button to start flying at all.
It's not
As
double
far as
jump.
Well, I tried that, I think.
Yeah.
No, double tap isn't doing it. I'm just jumping around the corridors going, I can't fly.
Do you think when you syringed yourself with blood, it took it back out of you?
Oh, do you think?
No,
That
well,
can't be.
because then he has the anti-gene. There'd be no purpose of that. I don't know.
We just What was this one? Fly.
Wait, you've got another fly?
I just picked the one up that you put on the floor.
Oh, I've got 2 in my inventory now. Oh, they're there.
Right, well, I've now got it again. Double jump still doesn't work. F? No. What's the fly key for jetpacks?
Just spacebar.
Just spacebar. No, I definitely can't fly. But you definitely could eat grass.
Yeah, that worked fine.
So, another Sunshine Genetics Lab fail. Okay, well, let's try and blow ourselves up instead.
Yeah.
That sounds like a good idea.
That's good.
Explode yourself genes. We've got those. Did we have a... There, we've got the gene started, explode yourself. So we put that into the breeder, and how far are we off? 16 away.
16.
16. Okay, we will be back very shortly when we have mixed 16 genomes together to be able to blow up. Because I know there's a key for that in the controls.
Yep.
Right. Is it ready yet? We have now got 15 out of 16 on the explode yourself gene. the most useful, second only to eat grass, of course.
Yeah. So, Nemsun, I figured out how to fly.
Yeah, that's your jetpack. Stop it. Viewers, he's been doing this all the time now. It's like, I can fly. What we found out is that the flying is a bug. It's not working, something like that.
Yeah. So you guys can all go to the forum post and say, please make it work for us.
Yeah, go to their forum post. If I can remember to do it, I'll put an annotation. I'll even go as far as put an annotation to their forum so that you can all put a forum post on. Right, so we've got the DNA breeder that has made the gene explode yourself completed.
Yeah. So do you want to add that to eat grass or fly, or just make its own centrifuge?
You can add the genes to each other. I think explode yourself will speak for itself.
Okay.
Explode yourself will probably do, actually. So we take a syringe, we centrifuge the blood from the syringe, and that's a fairly quick process. Yep, we get that syringe filled there, and then we put it in the combiner up there, put the syringe in, put the gene in, and I'm going to blow up. This time it's going to work. I've even checked the controls on this one. I know that blowing up is the U key. So explode yourself. Okay.
Just don't do it in the lab.
Oh, yeah, good point. Let's do it out where the cheap bit of materials are. Here we go. This can easily be replaced. So, give me the syringe. Why? It's
Centrifuge it.
Oh yeah. Da 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 da. All the derping down the rabbit hole. Right, centrifuge it again. That's it. See, when we've got the machines all lined up nice and pretty, like, we're going to have one centrifuge before, then the combiner, then another centrifuge, just to remind me every time to put it through those processes. Okay, that's now ready. Okay, da 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 da. I just realised I just opened my screen, and in NEI I've got in the search Safari. While I'm respawning, after this, and then you explain what we can do as the next stage.
Okay.
You might want to pick that up.
All right.
Okay. Ah! No. I'll hang about over here. This is scenery that we can easily replace.
All right. Nemsun explodes. Take one.
3, 2, 1. I can hear it. It's a short fuse. What? I'm still here. I could hear the exploding noise. Can you hear it?
I hear the hiss. That was it.
You heard the creeper hiss?
Yeah.
Like that?
No explosion, just a hiss.
Oh, maybe I need to keep the key down.
Yeah, hold it longer.
Yeah, it's working. Is it? No?
Maybe it's just... Oh, there it goes! You totally trolled me right there.
No, I spammed the key. That's all. Oh. Well, I'm back. Hi. I wonder now if I still have the Jeep.
Well, you can easily hiss a little bit.
Siege. Oh yeah, I was expecting to run all the way back. Let's get that syringe again. Let's take the syringe and make myself go blind for a bit. And now have I got? No, I've got an empty syringe.
Huh.
So the Creeper Blast one.
Oh, I wonder if when you kill yourself, you lose all your genes.
Oh, that is never going to happen again. We are never making that blast one again. I can't see any reason to, other than to walk in someone's base and go, "Hi there," boom, or morph into a creeper, go on to Akko's live stream again, and actually blow up this time. Okay, so
you can use it for the hiss and just not explode all the way. Just
yeah. Just go. Nice house out here. No, it's definitely gone. I can't press the U button and it can't do it anymore. So that was a great big waste of time, really. That was.
Yeah.
But we did it. This is what being down the rabbit hole at the Sunshine Genetic Labs is all about.
It is.
What should we try next?
Well, eventually we want to try and get the blood of mobs, and like a cow or a sheep or something we can keep as a pet.
Yep.
And experiment on them. They'll be our lab rats.
I got some safari nets made, so between this episode and next, we'll run around and grab a load of pets.
Subjects.
Pet subjects, yeah. We'll name them all and everything. They'll be our little pets in here. Oh,
what was that?
That's not me again.
I thought it made this.
No, it definitely wasn't me exploding again. Like a delayed reaction.
Definitely did eternal sunshine on, and no weather on this Mishcraft world. Oh well.
Mm-hmm. I made quite a dent, really, didn't I?
Yeah, that was a pretty big explosion.
Okay, so slow fall just sounds a little bit boring. Fly's broken. Woolly is to make another neutral mob be shearable.
Yeah. Teleporter.
That sounds cool. Shoot fireballs. That sounds cool. Destroy blocks with fireballs. That sounds cool. Now, folks, if we make ourselves into like the ultimate super, I'd like to say heroes, but with those abilities more villainish, and just be able to run around and shoot fireballs at things and blow stuff up. Now that would be cool. Blowing yourself up and losing all your abilities, and about half an hour of processing the genes into a syringe. Now that's not so good. And the fly gene just not working.
Right. We've also got water breathing.
Water breathing and eating grass. Now they're useful ones, I guess. So how long's water breathing going to take?
That one, I think it's only an 8. Let's look. Nope, it's a 16.
Well, of course it is.
We have 16.
Yeah, we've got enough. Let's quickly process that and let's see if we can do a bit of a water breathing each. Now, the duplicating the syringes, that was interesting. We've now got 3 flies here, so I suggest that we try and duplicate everything that we complete. And the way we duplicated it was we syringed our own blood again after we'd got the ability with an empty syringe. And it basically took our, well, the fly that I had, we ended up with it 3 times because we syringed it back out of us. I'm going to duplicate the eat grass while you're starting on that bit.
Okay.
It's
water breathing on its way.
Nauseous. Okay, stop nausea, thank you. Right, so if I syringe that back out of me, go blind, eat grass is back in the syringe. That's good. Take another syringe.
And we also discovered you can't have 2 separate syringes injected at one time. You gotta combine them into one syringe.
So we're going to need at the genetics lab 1 syringe of everything and 1 gene of everything filled and all that sort of stuff, just so that we've got stocks to play around with, won't we?
I just think make the super syringe that gives you everything.
So how do you combine them?
Take a centrifuge syringe and combine it with a fill or completed gene.
Okay.
So like we have eat grass, we could add water breathing to it.
Okay. Well, let's take that.
So
We've got another syringe here that's just filled and centrifuged. The centrifuge has currently centrifuged the eat grass.
Alright, I'm at 10 out of 16. Powers.
Oh, that's another thing. I didn't centrifuge it after. Now maybe I can eat grass. I'm just sticking myself with needles and extracting. You have to centrifuge every time you take blood as well.
Pretty much, yeah.
And you have to have it centrifuged before you can inject it to give you the ability. So much to remember. Between this episode and next episode, we're going to have a bit of a rework of the lab and make this into a potentially more automated process to get these basic genomes at least. And then a little specialist rig where we can do the syringing and centrifuging and all that and build up a little collection, a little stock.
Yep. Alright, so we've got water breathing completed. Here's our choice.
Okay.
Put it in its own syringe or combine it with something else.
If we put it in its own syringe, we can duplicate it a couple of times.
Oh, you know what we could do? Combine it with something else, duplicate it at that point, and then remove the ones we don't like.
Uh-huh.
So if we made one super syringe, duplicated that a bunch of times, and then removed everything? I don't know.
Yeah.
That might work.
Yeah, we still end up without the gene itself, which is the thing that you have to add to the next super syringe.
Yeah. I say we start combining.
Go for it. Let's combine eat grass and water breathing. Let's do that, because grass underwater.
Yeah.
Always.
This is
a
now
useful
called
thing.
eat seaweed.
Eat seaweed.
Alright, so we got syringe.
We can rename the syringe. We can rename the syringes and make them like the uber amazing syringe full of stuff. Just press U when you've injected it, and everyone just explodes.
Alright,
Oh.
so I've injected myself. I'll pull it back out and
Yeah.
syringe it, or centrifuge it again.
Yep.
And then you can go grab it, and we go for a swim.
You want me to test it again? Of course.
No,
Of course.
I've got, well, both of us should have it now.
Okay. So swimming without goggles. Oh, you've got the goggles. So.
I can get rid of the goggles.
Okay, so now I need to syringe it back out again. Do I lose it when I take it out? Have we figured that out
That's
yet?
about what I'm about to test here.
Okay.
Because I don't think so, because you can just duplicate it multiple times.
Yeah. You'd think so.
I just jumped off my house into the water. We'll see what happens.
That's a good plan. I'm going to head back.
And bubbles are not going away. Yes.
So you can breathe underwater.
I am underwater breathing at the moment.
Okay. Wow. Let's see. I'm going to do it for my viewers now. It's cold out here, but bubbles. The last bubble's popping, but it's not going anywhere.
Yeah. Just kind of
No water breathing thing came up at all, though. Nothing says that I've got water breathing. There's no sort of GUI in your inventory or anything like that.
Nothing.
Nothing at all. Oh, and I just spotted something else while I came out here. Somebody thought it might be a glitch, but as I came out here, it was raining over water, and we've got the all snow modding. Snowing on the coast edge of the water, but raining out in the main water.
Oh, that's weird.
Right, so we've got the ability to eat grass. Just that grass.
Did you say that?
I just ate some grass. Yeah, I've currently got full hunger, but I did just eat a piece of grass. Wow. Okay, so now I am 2 superabilities closer to the ultimate syringe. That's pretty cool. We're going to have to do a lot of automation to make it easy to get to the next few stages, aren't we? Because we can get the scrapings easy enough, and we can process them a very long-winded way. But I reckon we can automate that. Let's say we work on automating the process of making basic genes in order to, because that was quickly bred that water breathing, even though there was 16 to do. It's fairly quick in the breeder once you've got the cells available.
Yeah, if we can keep enough power, and
yeah. So yeah, I think that's about all we can do right now without taking another break and getting some more genes sorted out, which is fairly long-winded. We've done it twice, 3 times now, and terribly long-winded to get some very failed effects like fly and explode yourself and stuff.
I thought that was pretty cool.
The exploding Nemsun. Did arms and legs and stuff come off all over the place and blood splatter and stuff?
I closed my eyes. It was too scary to watch.
Okay. But at least you had your camera running to do it. That's it. So I guess that's it for another episode from Sunshine Genetics Lab. We will make some improvements and be back with you next episode.
Enjoy. Please hit subscribe on Nemsun and myself.
Yeah, do that.
And go watch Utopia channel. Yay! Catch you later.